For our washing machine, you lift it up, put your detergent or softener or both inside, all your things inside, close it, and put it on. Once it's on, we like to do quick wash. It's nice, it's fast, and it works well. And then you just press start, or if you don't want to do it, you can pause as well, or just turn it off.